Can somebody answer that, please?
Yes, I got the answer, Heem.
YouTube, the title is HEEM and Wolf Crash About.
No, I got the answer, Heem. It was a mistake. And on behalf of that room.
It was not a mistake.
On behalf of that room.
Wrong. You heard.
Behalf of that room, it wasn't.
Hey, you don't want to go even talk about Bussy on YouTube.
Yo. Don't act like I got shot to protect me.
That's going to be in the algorithm,
Bussy, pause. Bussy, pause. Listen, I can say fucking Bussy. I'm a straight fucking man. I don't give a fuck. I like Bussy. I like Bussy.
Clip it. Yeah.
Don't fucking pause.
Don't fuck. Y'all act like I can't say the word fucking Bussy. I don't give a fuck about saying the word Bussy. Pause.
Bussy, pause.
Why did I get shot for Bussy?
Why you want to pop a bus? Why you want to pop a bus? Why do you want to pop a bus, Heem?
Hey, Wolf, keep fucking playing me, bro.
Why do you want to pop a bus?
You want to play? Why the fuck you shot me from this nigga Bussy?
Answer the question. You wanted me in here. Why you want to pop a bus? Why you want to go on YouTube and have the title say Heem and fucking Heem and some mysterious man named Bussy crash out? Why you want to do that?
With the nigga, I just shot the nigga.
You was just about to go to Heem and then you start. You know how you get when you start crying. Get the Bussy. That's why you want to be on YouTube? I saved you, nigga. Thank me.
You saved me?
Yes.
By shooting me in the head and
and
you brought the Bussy back on stage.
Yes. Wait until this room is over. It's gonna be Heem and Wolf argue over Bussy.
We ain't
That's
arguing
what the title
over
is
no Bussy.
gonna be.
You let the Bussy stink up the whole room.
YouTube. The title
you let the Bussy
make the
stink up
title
the whole room.
Heem and Wolf argue about Bussy.
Yo, what? Hey, yo, stop fucking playing with me, yo. You know YouTube in the goo. Hey, listen, she know YouTube in the goo, and she giving them a title. You some fucking op. I ain't arguing over no fucking Bussy. Alright? Wolf let the bus come on stage and stink up the whole room. That nasty Bussy.
First of all, y'all, let's address the fact that he got a fucking burner on me. Let's address the fact of that. He's sitting in a fucking goo on a fucking burner, listening to everything we talk about. He see Bussy sitting, he heard us. Oh my God, Bussy, we miss you, Bussy, we love you, Bussy. He didn't fucking like that shit. He came in to get his fucking beat and do his shit.
No, I never left the room, Wolf. I was just on the phone.
You ain't gotta leave the room, nigga. You just told these niggas you got multiple burners.
I was in the room on my main page. I had a phone call on my other phone. Soon as I pick up the call and I hang up off the phone, you see how I'm looking at Mia? You see how I'm looking at your vet next to me?
I can't see how you looking at her.
Look, PTR. You see how Mia's right next to me? That's how I was looking at Bussy. Pause.
That was crazy. Now you want to pause. Now you want to pause.
Bussy,
now you want to go pause for YouTube.
Was to the right of me.
Pause for YouTube.
Bussy was to the right of me. Pause. Stop fucking playing with me, Wolf. Don't ever shoot me for no Bussy.
Yourself with the Bussy in your face.
Bring
up Layla. Bussy in your face, Heem.
Bring up Layla, please. Thank you.
Hold on. Why might we Heem and me and Heem having a so Heem? You had Bussy in your face.
Because YouTube was upset. YouTube in the goo. We not going back and forth and having no 10-minute
Why you don't want to go back and forth with me?
The rumor is, why did Wolf shoot Heem for some Bussy?
I'll give you an apology when we get the business clear on what happened.
All right. Well,
did you or did you not get upset because Bussy was in your face?
Pause. No, I got upset because you had Bussy. You gave Bussy a fucking green bean in the room, and he was right next to me. That's not why I was upset. Stop playing with me, Wolf. Stop fucking playing with me.
Fuck you, Heem. You a op.
Nah, you a fucking op.
Fuck it up.
You a fucking op.
We're level trying to fucking ruin my.
Hey, and stop back channeling me talking shit too. You know who the fuck you are.
Alright. Yeah, let's get
Chicky
content. We got
talking to you, Chicky. No, he ain't talking to me.
Now y'all want to get the business clear on some other shit. Go ahead. But
I'm not about to be yelling, bro. Let's get the content for the replays, bro.
Listen.